The task force as a body has found violations of the placement, regarding the placement of 150-word summary in the minutes of meetings. And I would like to at this time address one of those, and I apologize, I did a typo here. 11070 is actually 11071 against the city attorney Dennis Herrera. And the decision in that case read as follows: the task force shall notify all city departments and agencies that include public comment summaries as attachments to minute meetings, instead of including such comments in the body of the minute, violate section 6716, notwithstanding the advice of the city attorney. Part 2 of the determination was the task force finds the city attorney's office in violation of Sunshine Ordinance section 6721I for continuing to advise clients that public comment summaries may be attached to the minutes. That advice is inconsistent with the Sunshine Ordinance requirements that the minutes, that the city attorney's office shall act to protect and secure the rights of the people of San Francisco to be able to access public information and public meetings, and shall not act as legal counsel for any city employee or any person having custody of any public records for the purpose of denying access to the records. The task force recommends the city attorney's office reconsider its interpretation of section 6716 to avoid confusion over placement of the public comment summaries in the minutes, and to comply with the requirement to maximize public access to public information and meetings. Many people who've heard me speak just go, oh, you know, the reason they try to interfere with you or whatever is because you use the wrong words. Well, telling somebody they can't use words is censorship. It's the very definition of the word. They don't like the tone of my voice. They don't like what I say. But most importantly, in all that, what they really don't like is my opinion. And the Brown Act is specifically there so that a person like me can go before a public body and say the things that I say. You may not agree with my style, you may not agree with my methods, but the bottom line is I have a right to use those words and those phrases and that tone that I choose to. And in protecting that, I'm not just saying Ray Hartz gets to do these things, I'm saying any member of the public has the right to do those things. And once you start putting restrictions on people, saying they can't use certain words and so forth, what you're doing is limiting public participation and restricting people's rights under the law.
Hello, my name is Jason Grant Garza, and unfortunately I have been in front of the Ministry of Sunshine and its committees many, many times. Why do I call it the Ministry of Sunshine? Because this is not about sunshine, the whole truth and nothing but the truth. This is about half-truths, interpretations, word meanings, double entendres, etc., etc. The thing that I want to comment about is that supposedly this is the Education and Outreach Committee for the Sunshine Task Force, which I call the Ministry of Sunshine. And I want to point out that this is very much an oxymoron. The definition of an oxymoron is putting two things together that don't quite add up. For example, education and outreach. Every year, every department is supposed to sign something stating that they know what sunshine is, that they know what the requirements are. How many times and how many agendas do we go back and we see the same old players? Well, apparently, they don't learn, or they're not properly trained, or they're not properly educated, or what they're signing every year is a lie. However, when you can continue to offer people false hope that, the right thing is going to come out of the Ministry of Sunshine, and, this procedure is going to be tightened up, and these people are going to learn, and, progress is going to be made. I have been coming in front of the Ministry of Sunshine for well over many, many years, probably 5 to 10. I have multiple items. If you go to YouTube and look under Jason Garza, you will see over 1,000 videos of being denied by the Department of Public Health, coming to the Ministry of Sunshine, and them, of course, having the wrong interpretation about HIPAA law, follow-up, no correct procedure. Well, here we are again. Thank you for allowing me the ability to not only create more films, but to expose to the entire world, not only the farce, the inhumanity, the fact that, like I said, this is an oxymoron. And everyone who sits on this thing, who supposedly is well-educated and well-trained, unfortunately, you're not going to like this comment. But, you know, the seventh ring of hell is for all the deceivers, all those who play the game, all those who hurt humanity. And by being part of the problem and not the solution, and holding your heads up high and touting how much you do when it doesn't accomplish anything, is the truest oxymoron there is, for there is no humanity here at the Ministry of Sunshine. Thank you.
Hi, I just want to go on the public record and say